way. Oh, very
Go to the kitchen,
nice.
Tom. Go to the kitchen.
Come in this way.
Turn. You spinner. Go. Go, guys, go.
Whoa, she's pretty happy. Oh, here's the bump. Oh, yeah. There we go. Push. If you push, it'll go up. Does Maggie like it?
Uh-huh. Hi, you like it?
Is she smiling?
Hi, go.
You can go back into the family room. Up.
You got it. You gonna drive her back in there? Drive Max, go.